Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom, and today I'm talking about a dwarf chrysanthemum you gotta have in the garden. This is Chrysanthemum Weyrichii white balm, and you can see the nice creeping way it moves out. And here's next year's stuff. It's already kind of creeping along, and if you were to dig underneath, you could see the roots, how they spread. So it does spread, and I've actually popped this out and moved it in different places. You might be wondering why I'm showing you something with flowers that look like this. In a second, I'll show you this plant about 2 weeks earlier, and as I was going to edit the video this afternoon, I noticed that the first part, which I'm showing you now, I had to redo the first part, somehow got deleted, so I don't have it. But you can see, you know, the flowers, we had a frost last night, and actually the plant's just going by anyway. You can see that, you know, the flowers are kind of small daisy-like flowers. I was looking to see if there was anything left, but you'll see it in a second. But, you know, the plant is not that tall, and I want to contrast this with another chrysanthemum over here. So this one, much bigger. I do not have the name of this one, but this comes back every year, and you can see how much different that is, you know, height-wise. That's 2.5, 3 feet, as opposed to the white balm, which stays only about 1 foot tall at flowering height and then kind of creeps along as a nice ground cover during the course of the summer. Of course, the fact that it's a good pollinator is another reason to have it. It's also hardy to zone 4, reportedly, and it's deer and rabbit resistant, which is also nice. And the other thing I like about it is the leaves. Unlike some of the other chrysanthemums, the leaves have a little bit of a waxy texture. They're glossier than, you know, those hardy mums you buy in the supermarket and throw in a pot for the fall. The leaves are much more attractive on this one, and obviously we've got some attraction from the honeybees this afternoon. So if you're looking for a ground cover, front of the border, full sun, want a chrysanthemum, that Chrysanthemum Weyrichii white balm is definitely a must-have. Easy growing, deer and rabbit resistant. What more can you want? For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.